a letter giving you a phone number and an address on the letter, and you go back and write a poster of wanting a person and asking people that anybody who knows his location again should come and call your number.
Mommy.
Yeah, mommy.
Nipa 30 seconds. Mommy, 30 seconds. Nia wo kama esi asem so. Ken a letter na ni lawyers ni chokoma. No di location, address, telephone number bibi ahye. Iti ede na wo Agyabeng. Uso bi hu no san friend number we.
Onya kwasi ampeni. Asemo. Yeah, so like I was saying, you see, Kissi Agyabeng brought some 4 point whatever it is from a friend is saying, the office honomo. And under it, or see declaration of wanted status. That is when there's failure to comply with lawful summons or cannot be located. That is the stage at which you can declare somebody wanted. And Ofori Atta, me pese mi bisa ni say, who has failed to comply with lawful summons and who cannot be located? You see how stupid, how foolish Kissi Agyabeng will say otie. Bitterness, any hatred. Emanu behave as if say we are supposed to cage him at Pantine. We're supposed to cage Kissi Agyabeng. He's not mentally stable. I was say ye caging. Say ankafu say himfa. Na ye manu ye bono lagatel overdose. I think his brains he will come back to his status. Now dream the because you decided where you about the overdose and no nebema na because the usual dose no me reciting again because ye born overdose obey ejuma. Kissi Agyabeng, you cannot use my taxes to settle scores with individuals. What you mean you sue Ghanaians and taxes to settle scores because what yet Ghana and now ubabe kachre and say Airbus US Justice Department, UK Crown Court, any France for court are investigating John Mahama. Akache say he's part of his government official one. Any new or Airbus mu. You came to tell us, say, John Dramani Mahama, no who saying, Obaye, Edi Akesha, Vim, Omo, Azuma Blow, be Gary John Mahama. Ebdini ko washing base gari no papa parazum kache say John Mahama we na ken Ofori Atta then what him establish with him obe kache say one he's a fugitive, 3 or 2 or a wanted person you will say emuni e wa hin na bet you because unni say what the ken Ofori Atta kokota you don't have a case and you've decided to tell yourself say the yenya yenim wunie social media prosecutor to 10 years, and you know, say Ghana for your sensationalism. Into what done social media and over settles scores on social media. For you to even come and insult our intelligence, no catching and say, only Japan are planning in Pokrano. Not just a what to one womb yen. Kissi Agyabeng, Ubeja won't send phone who pass your seminar would you or Ghana or no, I steady what it. In any case, voice in any case, sa in some way I would do to Ken Ofori Atta SOE. Sa SML case, you know, KPMG for a reputable investigation. We haven't they gone through that investigation already? Haven't? Yes, a National Cathedral. The censorship moody Ken Ofori Atta one establish and even Deloitte another reputable they came to audit a national service a national cathedral. You see, having they audited the national cathedral we say no, and they have come out to say National Cathedral, everything in it is okay. So what you say? Enti ensemna wode tutu Ken Ofori Atta so nyina ni ejapade ni sa ni nyina no unim se unya won asem a won se nyina so bi anim And I would aba be jina no mu say you want to you Ofori Atta but you won't say who could jina court. You have never won any case in court because we know ti bonkoso ahye wakuma any utrimuma enwura any apetition insuo ene adwongo ene taiwa adwin nti no who jina court you don't have any you can't mean settle any case in on what mean win case into you must come and settle it on social media. And nti oba be jina ho no mo ene after say woni mu egu ase even lawyers e woga ayiga na omo ye anti MPP kwa aba be ka che wo say you goofed nti no wakwa kofa. Yes, I watched a short a tidbit of what he said. Say you have no way say to come and declare say yes to even the wakwa asamba be jina platform so aba be wanted also asking for
Mami,
location.